loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Christine. Today I'm going to show you an everyday makeup look that I've been doing recently that is also mask friendly. We've all been there before when we've worn a full face of makeup and near the end of the day, half of our makeup is not even on our face anymore. It's transferred onto the mask and it's just annoying. It doesn't look good. And so I'm going to show you a smudge-proof, mask-friendly makeup look, and I'm so excited to partner with Revlon for this video. And today I'm actually going to be showcasing the Revlon ColorStay Foundation for oily to combination skin. This is actually in a matte finish. As you guys know, I have very oily, acne-prone skin, so we are putting this foundation to the test. Then I'm also going to put a mask on and show you if it transfers and all of that good stuff. Before we go ahead and jump into the video, first make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also hit that little notification bell. That lets you know every time I post a new video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First off, Revlon sent me quite a few colors, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch all of these for you. I also don't know what shade I am, so we're gonna kind of do some swatches and figure it out together. First, we have 240 medium beige. Then we have 260 light honey, 270 chestnut, 290 natural ochre, and then lastly 300 golden beige. I think I'm leaning towards 260 or 270, but those actually might be too tan for me right now, so I might even go with 300. So let's quickly swatch those on the face and see. Okay, so this is 260, this is 270, and this is 300. Okay, 300 is too light. I think I'm leaning towards 260. I feel like the undertones look really, really nice. A little bit about this foundation. On the website, it says this is America's #1 long-wearing foundation. This oil-free foundation delivers a flawless matte finish for oily and combo skin and wears up to 24 hours. It also contains SPF 15, which is great for everyday wear. It also says it provides medium to full buildable coverage. It's also mask-friendly and available in 43 shades. Before I apply this foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do my eyes. I do a very simple everyday look, especially if I know I'm gonna be wearing a mask all day. Brows are all done, and next I'm doing my mascara. Both of these just make my lashes look so super long. Since this is a little bit more of a simple everyday look, we're just gonna keep the eyes like that. And next we're gonna go in with the foundation. I'm actually so excited for this because even when I was swatching this foundation, it felt ultra lightweight. I'm excited to see the type of coverage we will get with this. Do you see that? I feel like that foundation is so lightweight and it helped to add a little bit of coverage but still allows my skin to really shine through. So as you can see between the two different sides, there's not much of a difference. It helps to add a little bit of coverage so my skin looks a lot more even. The tone is really pretty. I feel like that color match is perfect. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and do another layer just to see how that builds. Wow, look at that. That color match is perfect. Up close you can see too, it just helps to add a light amount of coverage, but as you can see, you can totally build it up if you want to, but I think that looks really, really pretty. Some of the blemishes and discoloration I have looks a little bit more like covered up, and so it gives me the perfect amount of coverage. Just want to show you my skin up close and how amazing that looks. Wow, my skin looks absolutely flawless. Let's do a quick test. I just have a tissue right here. I'm gonna go ahead and just pat it into my face. I haven't set it, powdered it, or anything. This is just the foundation, like straight on. No transfer. Right off the bat, this foundation blended out so easily. It has a really good liquidy texture, so I feel like it was super easy to blend. It feels like that consistency that would work really well with a brush or a sponge. It gives me a really skin-like finish, and it does have light to medium buildable coverage. So overall, I'm super impressed with the foundation. The color match is spot on, but I'm gonna go ahead and speed through the rest of my makeup. Makeup is all done. I did do a little bit of cream blush just because I feel like it makes my skin look a little bit more naturally flushed. I went ahead and powdered my entire face just because I do have oily skin and we want this to be as budge proof as possible. I do want to apply a little bit of a lip color. Since it is spring, I want to wear a fun lip color, and I actually have these ColorStay lip colors from Revlon, and these are absolutely gorgeous. I wore one the other day and it lasted me the entire day. I was eating, wearing my mask, we were shopping around. I think I want to do a fun color, so I have these shades right here. This is the Revlon ColorStay Satin ink, and this is great because it's kind of like a liquid lipstick, but it does have a satin finish, so it does make my lips look really juicy and hydrated. But as the name suggests, it stays on and lasts all day. Let's just swatch them. First shade I'm gonna swatch is Eyes on You. This one is Fire and Ice, Smokin' Hot, and Silky Sienna. These definitely came out a little bit differently than I expected. I almost feel like this orangey color would be really, really fun. I'm just gonna do a light layer of that and go ahead and tap it across my lips. This one is in the shade Smokin' Hot. Okay, I think that color is so pretty, very, very spring appropriate. I tapped it out with my finger. We didn't get quite this pigment. It's a little bit more of a wearable color, very much me. So we're just gonna give it a couple of minutes to dry, and then we will do the mask test. Okay, let's put this look to the mask test. This is the mask on the inside, completely white. This is brand new. I haven't even worn this yet. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off the lip color. So as you can see, absolutely no smudging at all, no foundation. There is absolutely zero smudging. So this foundation passed the test with flying colors for me. I cannot recommend it enough. And this is just such a good, easy, everyday look, especially if you know you're gonna be wearing a mask and you want something that's gonna be budge proof, mask friendly. I highly recommend. So I'm gonna go ahead and link all the products down below. A big thank you to Revlon for sponsoring this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.